Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video, I want to do one thing and one thing only, and I want to ask you to stop buying silly click button softwares and expecting to make money online. Now, I'm being very honest with you here. I used to buy all these types of softwares myself. If you look at my WarriorPlus type account, you'll see loads and loads of purchases that I made in the past that I thought, like you do as well, you look at the headline, you look at the sales page, you look at the testimonials, and you think this is going to be the next greatest thing, and I'm actually going to start making money by buying this product. And I'm here to tell you guys, especially if you're a little bit more mature like me, you need to stop buying this type of rubbish and expecting it to somehow make you money. You need to think about, when you come online, this is no different from any other type of business. Get rich quick does not exist. In fact, the only people that get rich quick by buying these types of products are the vendors. Nobody else. Nobody's ever got rich by buying a product called Profit Bots, Viral Profit App, Clickbank dollars, Googlex, Googler Cash. Nobody's ever got rich by buying these types of products. Now, if you look at my reviews, I can tell you at least 6 of those products on that top 10 dashboard right now, WarriorPlus, are giving you false testimonials, false financial proof, and quite honestly, guys, they're garbage. So this might sound like a little bit of a mini rant, but I've got to tell you guys, if you follow this channel and you follow my types of reviews, you've got to stop buying this types of rubbish online. It is not going to give you any kind of money going forward. Now, as I always do in my videos, I always recommend an affiliate course that we have called the Fast Track Affiliate Bootcamp. It's completely free, this part of the course, and this part of the course is really good for you if you want to kind of correct your thinking and really start to understand what it takes to make money online. You've got to be thinking, guys, this is no different from any other type of business. If you started any kind of store in the high street, if you started any kind of other business, you would expect to work very, very hard to actually understand what that business is all about before you start making money. You would never expect to buy a store and within an instant, without just opening your doors, that somebody would start coming in, or multiple people would start coming in and buying everything on the shelves and making you rich. There is no such thing as a push button high street store, and there's no such thing as a push button software online. So guys, it might have been a little bit of a mini rant, but I still see people buying these types of products and getting completely lost. I was the same. I thought I was missing something. I thought there's some kind of secret traffic app out there that would get me loads and loads of traffic over to my various offers, and it just doesn't exist, guys. I assure you it doesn't exist. If you want to go ahead and take this affiliate bootcamp, this is going to really help to correct your thinking. You'll see the link in the description below. Go ahead and take that, but I implore you, you've got to stop buying this type of rubbish on WarriorPlus. Now guys, if you do want to understand how to find good products on platforms like WarriorPlus and JVZoo, they do exist. I will leave a load of videos in the description below. Go and check them out. But in the meantime, don't please expect to get rich off a product called GoogleX or Googler Cash. It's not going to happen. Any questions, go ahead and leave them below. My email address is down there as well. I'm always contactable for you, but please listen to me, guys. Stop wasting your money and start to build a real business online.